I am now. Watch that house, watch that house. Crap, they're there. This is bad.
That's not the point.
Okay.
The point is to make them think we kind of know where they are.
I don't have any ammo left.
Really?
I burnt up like half my high cap. I got more mags.
Okay,
I'm fine.
You got more high caps too?
No, I don't got high caps.
If you need a tube, I got a tube here.
Here, can I actually fill mine up? Be awesome.
It's easier if you put the mag like this.
Thanks, man. Okay, we're cover support for those guys. Brent, when I start firing, you guys go.
Where? What?
You guys charge. I don't know. Do something.
I got hit.
Come on, Brent, get back, man. Get over here.
That was bad. I was like, wait, we're in the paintball corner. This is the only piece. I took it. Okay, so where?
They're all up by that log pile. Log pile. Okay, that's our guy. Okay, go, go. Stay behind trees. Ethan, go. Behind trees. Tree! Is that a ref behind the tree? Yeah. Okay. I know, I see it. Okay, hey, Ethan, see if you guys can get up farther. There's more guys over here. Go up farther, go. Keep moving with them.
They're straight lecturing.
Where? I can't see him. That guy? Yeah. No, that's Batowski.
No, he's sitting the wrong way in the tree.
I'm gonna move up. Someone get up to the red house.
Far back. Straight up that way. No, straight up this way. Straight up that way.
Okay.
Are those enemies? There's one straight out over there.
What red cover? I think it's went left. I know that there's a guy behind that long brown cover right there. Yes, I see him.
Straight out.
Is there anyone else down there besides that one guy?
Straight out over there. Lay off the cover for me.
Huh?
Lay off the cover, I'm gonna move up further. Go. I'm not even shooting.
Your feed unit might be dirty.
Huh?
Your feed unit might be dirty. Brent, can you get up to that green cover? I'll give you cover and fire.
Brown wall's got me. The one with the post behind it?
Yeah. The one with the post in front, get on the other side of it.
Up.
Other side, Brent! Get to the other side!
Got a visual on the package. Behind the cover on the right side.
Ah, hit! Oh shit, that's a thorn tree. Another spawn? Is it 3-man weight?
No.
What are you back here for?
My battery's dead.
That sucks. I only have my shitty one. Use your pistol. You gonna run with it? I was gonna try like weaving it through your back.
They were coming up on the crossfire to the ATV trail we got flanked. Yeah, I'm on a...
Crap, that's not gonna work, Brent. Just unhooked your hydration pouch. I'll fix it once we get back. Yeah. So they're coming up the ATV?
I don't know, I got shot from the left side. It's close.
Okay. If they're coming up this way, let's...
Coming up this way.
Okay, watch your sectors.
Because we got this right side of the ridge down pretty good.
That's our guy right there. Watch that way, watch that way. Go, go. Go, Brent, go. Ethan, me and Brent are, fuck. I'm gonna go this way. Whoever wants to come can. Guy. That's not our guy. There's no reason for him to be running. I'm gonna move up to the next tree. Wait, yeah, it is our guy. I can't tell. Ethan, go back. Get back. We have no cover here. Go back, Brent, go back. Go, go. There's a red guy right there. Why is he still in the woods?
Behind us.
Where? In the woods. He's aiming at us. Where do you see him in the woods?
He came right up to us.
Wait, no, you got him, Shane, you got him.
No, that guy was, apparently he was out.
Yeah, the guy that ran.
No, that
Yeah, I called him out.
Sorry, I didn't know you were out. If you were out.
No, we're moving.
You see anyone back there?
No.
Okay, let's go.
Move up to that bunker.
Brent, yeah, there you go.
Alright, Brent, bring it in the hole. Walk her in, walk her in. Slowly. Okay. Bring her in, punch her. Grab him. Do we win?
We'll see.
Oh.
Yeah,
There we
buddy.
go.
Yeah.
Solid play.
The carrier gets the drink.
Good game, guys.
You win yourself a free pop.
All right.
Unfortunately, you were about 50 seconds behind the other team.
It was close.
It's still a win, though.
You guys got time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of got in the act, though. Yeah. No, he was hiding. Yeah, he was hiding in the whole after that. All right. God, the hell was that? That was some risky.
Yeah, if you actually call somebody like that,
God,
they're done
all
for
was
the
just,
game.
we're just laying
It
down in
happens
the
again,
little ditch, and
they're
we're like,
done.
holy crap!
They're out. I'm not doing
Barrel cover, Brent.
God, dude, that's really risky.
Oh, camera's still on.